If your desk still looks like a sea of paper order slips, you're living in the past. Digital trading platforms have changed the game. Let's see how. Think of a trading platform like the cockpit of a jet. It's your command center, where you get real-time market data, analyze charts and place trades at lightning speed. Instead of calling your broker or scribbling down trades, everything's at your fingertips. Stocks, bonds, Forex, even crypto. Most platforms are packed with features, customizable dashboards, advanced analytics, and risk management tools, all designed for efficiency. Some are basic, some are ultra-sophisticated, so you can pick one that matches your trading style. Security's tight too, with encryption and multi-factor authentication keeping your data safe. Bottom line, a trading platform is more than just software. It's the modern financial professional's command center, making markets accessible, actionable, and fast. So next time you log in, remember, you're not just trading, you're piloting your portfolio.